Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss case study questions based on CSV file. In this question, Ankit is making a software on states and their capitals in which various records are to be stored or retrieved in capital.csv file. It consists of few records. We have to help him to successfully execute the program. In statement 1, we have to define the function add new rec. To add more data in the file, we have to open the file in append mode. For that, in statement 2, the answer will be A. Fwriter dot write row, then within bracket we have to write state comma capital. State and capital should be without single quote. If you will write single quote in it, it will be like a header. In statement 3, the answer will be state comma capital. In statement 4, we are creating a reader object. CSV.reader. Within bracket we have to write the file handle. Here file handle is NF. In statement 4, the answer will be reader. In statement 5, we are simply calling showrec function in which we are simply writing the data inside the CSV file. Odisha space Bhubaneswar and just below it Uttar Pradesh space Lucknow will be the output for statement 5. In statement 1, the answer will be add new rec as we are defining the function. Answer will be option A. In statement 2, the answer will be A because we want to add some more records in the CSV file, which is option D. In statement 3, to store data to the file, we have to write the variable as it is without single quote. Answer will be option B. In statement 4, to read the data from a CSV file, we have to write reader to create a reader object. Answer will be option D. To create a reader object, the syntax is the name of the reader object is equal to csv.reader file handle comma delimiter character. Here NF is the file handle. In statement 5, the answer will be Odisha Bhubaneswar Uttar Pradesh space Lucknow, which is option C without any single quote. Now we'll execute the same code in Python. We have corrected the code. In statement 1, we are defining add new rec. For that we have to write add new rec. In statement 2, as we are adding some data in the CSV file, we have to write A. In statement 3, we have to write the two variables state comma capital without single quote. If you will write single quote in it, then it will be like a header. As we have opened the file in append mode, we have to comment add new rec 2 times, then we have to call it again. Otherwise the same record will be appended again. Now we'll execute the code. You can see state and capital will remain as it is if you will write in single quote. In statement 4 the answer will be reader, and in statement 5 answer will be Odisha Bhubaneswar, Uttar Pradesh Lucknow. Hope this video is beneficial to you. Thanks for watching.